Have you ever thought, if only I could be able to trade on a demo account and still be able to withdraw the money that I've made? Well, think no more, because the opportunity is right here. Actually, have you ever noticed that when trading on Deriv, right, using the when trading on Deriv on the 200 V250 1S, you can actually enter a position with no money in the account. As you can see over here, I haven't made any deposits in the last month or in the previous months, in fact, on this account, and still I'm able to enter 3 positions with the smallest lot or just one lot size using 0.015. Well, so if you want to check this out, you can also try it on your account and see if your account is also able to enter using that. And I want to do a survey, so I want to see if it's just my account or everyone, it works for everyone. So if you see that it's working on your account, also comment in this comment section down below and share this video with your friends so that they can also be able to make money out of, should I say, thin air, but actually they can, so that they can also be able to make money, right? So over here I just entered some buys. I just wanted to see, and actually I can see the reason why it's actually you can enter 3 positions on this with no money inside, because it's so slow, right? You can enter and you can move even 50 pips and it hasn't even reached any cent, right? So right over there I was just expecting it to sell a little bit, or either it will continue going up or sell into that zone, right? Never mind the recording, right? I'm actually putting a voiceover over here, right? So if you've tested this on your account and see that it's also working, right, even if you still have money in your account, withdraw the money so that you can leave a zero balance, right? And then you can try entering this position so that I can see that if it actually works, or if it's just my account. Maybe it's a glitch or whatever. But so if it's a glitch, then we have to maximize this as soon as possible while it's still working, right? So I've shared this video because if you're able to make money using this, then I also want you guys to make money, right? So as you can see over there, maximum positions that you can enter is 3 positions only, right? Or you can enter 1 position using 0.015, right? So as you can see, even if you blow that money, it will be compensated and it will just go back to 0. So you can try as many times as you want, and you still be able to just get lucky, right? Others are actually making money using this. As for me, it's just too slow, right? So yeah, we'll see. I will keep on trying, but I don't have the patience. But if you are comfortable with the conditions, then you can still be able to hold it and see how it plays out for you, right? But it needs a lot of patience, because you can blow sometimes. Yeah, so yeah, you have to keep on trying, right? So right over here, what I'm going to cover, I'm going to be, so cut that a little bit. Okay, so over here, right, the broker that I'm using is Deriv, right? So if you haven't opened an account with Deriv yet, so that you can also open positions like this, right, you register an account using the link below, right? And as you can see, if you have got a cent in your account, you can actually enter all those positions. I don't know how many they are over there, you can count them on yourself, right? But about 10 positions, but they'll still be moving slow, right? So if you want it to move a little bit faster, I encourage you to increase the lot size a little bit, at least to a cent, right? So that it's 0.01, right? It's 0.01, yeah. So that it's 0.01, so that it can reach a cent a little bit faster, so that you can close the positions and be able to enter more positions, right? So the advantage using this, if you see that the market isn't going in your direction, right, you can exit those positions that you entered earlier, right? That's what I've noticed so far, right? You can exit the positions so that it doesn't blow out the account, right, while it still has a 0.0 balance, right? And you can enter again, right? So you can just keep on closing and opening. So that's why I said it needs a lot of patience, and that much I do not have. Maybe I'll try it one more time, one more day or something, right? So that but as for me, yeah, it's it's been hectic. I don't have the patience. I don't even have the time, right? So actually, I'm having my exams right now, so I don't have the time to actually keep on trying this, something that doesn't work. I'm actually, if I'm depositing, I'm going to be depositing a lot of money at once, right? Don't have the patience to keep on running around with this thing. It's just too slow for me, right? So those are, so like, this is what you can do using this what do we call it? This is what you can do using the Deriv, right? So if you don't have an account with Deriv, you can register using the link in the description box down below, right? So yeah, that's it, right? At this point, I don't know how many times I've blown this account, right? And I've blown it, and as you can see, I was able to reach 3 cents, but it took a while. It took quite a long time, right? Because you'll be blowing and entering again, blowing. It's just so like going in circles, right? So yeah, I've been able to enter, and I put one lot size with larger. So as you can see, if I've got a larger lot size, it can be able to reach either minus, or it can be able to reach a cent sooner, right? So that's so like the pros and cons over there, right? So that's just how you can be able to do this. But what I've seen is that it's actually easier for scalpers to do this, so that's why I'm going to be installing the stochastic oscillator. Why? Because it moves a little bit quicker, right? So that you can go in line with the 1 minute time frame. But we're going to be setting this to default, right? So yeah, I will try setting, we'll just be setting it to default so that it moves quickly, it moves faster, so that we'll be able to enter so that we'll be able to enter in and out so that the positions can be what am I saying? So that we will be able to enter in and out quickly, because it moves. This pair actually moves very, very slow. So you'll be importing a little larger lot size so that you can be able to trade this, right? So over there, that's why I installed my stochastic oscillator, right? So that's what I will be using to enter, right? So yeah, I will be just using that in the TDI so that I can be able to enter using those. If you don't know how to use the TDI, then you can check out the videos that I've posted before, so that you'll be able to see how it works. But in this video, in using this, the stochastic oscillator, the one that's below, I think it's actually a little bit better, though it's still slow again, right? And though it's still slow, is actually a little bit better, right? But the downside of this is that you can enter the stochastic can go from the stored level down, right? And it actually even starts to reverse again, and you haven't even reached even a single cent, right? So this is, you actually go in a lot of circles, right? So yeah, I actually recommend this strategy. Actually, trading this pair. As for me, it all depends on you. If you've got the patience to actually to see something this slow move, then yeah, you can go for it. But as for me, it's a hassle. My mind will be racing. I don't have the time to keep on staring at the chart, waiting for a chart to reach a cent. So that yeah. But yeah, if you it's been a while since I've been trading, so yeah, it's actually good practice, and just being able to enter, if you want to, it's better than trading a demo, right? But a demo can be better because you'll be able to hold and see how the trade worked out, right? Unlike using this, you won't be able to see how the trade worked out, because if you enter in the wrong direction, it will stop you out. Then you have to enter again. So it's monotonous. You have to keep on repeating the same thing over and over again, right? So yeah, I think that's it. And remember, share this video with your friends, everyone, so that they'll also be able to benefit from this video. And remember, guys, also share this video with and subscribe to the channel first of all, because do you know that about 70% of you aren't even subscribed to this? The people who watch this channel aren't even subscribed, and about everyone is male. Also share this video with your girlfriends if they also trade, because do you think that I don't want girls to hear my voice also? I want girls to hear my voice also. I'm just joking, but yeah, share this video so that it can be, and like this video so that it can be able to reach more and more people, so that the algorithm can push it to more and more people. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys.